Alright, Brannon, here's your 347 small block Ford. Just got Dyno. Everything went good. Give you a description of this combination. It's got AFR cylinder heads on it. It's got one of our custom hydraulic rollers. It's got the March Serpentine belt setup. Make sure the alternator charges for you. You set in your manifold, carburetor, distributor, everything okie dokie. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, down at 3,500, it's 373 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like it peaks torque 424, peaks horsepower 471. Get her off there, get in a crate, come your way, have a great day.